Welcome back, Brains of Purpose Partners. Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram to build your business and automatically collect all of those leads who are commenting on your Instagram posts and put them into your scalability program so that you can nurture them and hopefully convert them to paying clients. So let's dive in. Hey, Brandy, Thomas here. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to actually convert those leads from Instagram who are actually replying to your comments, to your Instagram posts, and take those comments and actually convert them to paying clients. So I'm going to show you how to do this in a really quick automation that is already pretty much set up for you. So let's dive in. All right, so the first thing that you need to know when you're building this automation is you need to already have your social media platforms connected. So you can come here to the marketing menu feature and then do social planner, and you'll want to choose which you want to connect. Today's example, we're going to specifically talk to Instagram, but you can also connect your business Facebook page, your LinkedIn, your Pinterest, your TikTok, your X account, even your Google business, which that's really cool because you can actually start getting leads through your Google reviews. But that's another video for another day. So once you have your Instagram account connected, all you need to do is hop over to the automation feature, go to create workflow, select a recipe, and then just scroll down to Instagram comment automation. Like, it is so easy, it's already created for you. So all you have to do then is come in here and update and edit it. So just so you guys know that the allow reentry is on by default. And all that means is in your settings that if you want people to re-enter more than once, then this is automatically going to be checked. So if you don't want the same contact to be entered into your workflow multiple times, shut that off. Then come back over to your builder setting. So your first thing you're going to do is hit this trigger button, and you are going to select your page. I don't have my Instagram set up. This is a dummy account. So just imagine with me here for a minute, pretend with me. But you'll essentially connect to your page once you already have that set up on the marketing side. Then it should show up here when your page is, mine is like Live Victorious. So that would pop up in here. And then you'd hit save trigger. And then you want to do respond on comment. So this is where you can update to be like, hey, check your DM. I just sent you a message. So you can edit these responses to be whatever you need them to say. You can say, hey, thanks for showing interest. Please check your DM. Or, hey, thanks so much. I just sent you a DM. So whatever. And it's going to be on like comments too. Going back to the trigger, you can add a filter too to make sure that it's only working on a specific post. So you will be able to set that up in your trigger. Just wanted to call that out. Okay, so this automation, the trigger is they're going to reply to a certain something. So again, you're going to set up that in the trigger section. You're going to set up on this page, on this post, reply is scale. So when they respond, you can have these different options for the actual response. And then this is where Instagram Interactive Messenger kicks in for you. So it's going to reply to the comment via a DM, and here's where you can have your message to say, hey, I'm really excited to start your personal finance journey, or to start your coaching journey, or whatever your journey is that your offer that you're taking them on. And then you have button options. So these grayed out buttons right here, that's where you update these. So you can take them to your website. If you have a checklist or a download or a freebie offer that you just want to automatically send them to save you time and just have them go ahead and enroll, you can have that be an option. You could have an option that maybe takes them to your calendar and books a call with you. And this really just depends on what is your post about, what is your offer, what is that next step for them in your workflow, in their journey. And then you're just going to customize that. So then once you're done with that, hit save action. And then you'll see the changes here. And so if you get the checklist, you can have another interaction that says like, okay, great, I saw you click this button, like here's your checklist, and it just automatically sends the URL for them. And so you can add files to their URL. You can add a new button. So if you want to take them on a deeper journey, you can keep doing this interactive conversation with them to get more information and make sure they're really qualified. Or like I said before, you can just be like, here's the next step in the journey. And hopefully it's to capture their information. So I would have some sort of freebie offer or taking them to your landing page where they can enroll into something. But this is where you would want to get their information, start nurturing that contact and leading them to hopefully your offer and get them to be a paying client. So I love this workflow automation. It's so simple. It's already built out for you and you don't have to really do much customization. It's very easy to follow. Just take these steps, make sure you're connecting your Instagram account, edit the DM messages, set your trigger up, and then have that next step for them to click through it and automatically be capturing their information and start that nurturing journey. So hope this was helpful. Drop any questions in the comments, or if you want to have a deeper video on this. I know this was like a quick tutorial, but I just wanted to show you that this is something that's really cool and possible for you with Scalability. If you don't have Scalability, you can also click my link in the comments and grab your 30-day free trial. There are so many features inside of this platform. And that's why I've moved all of my business over here. And I'm also, when I build my clients' websites, their landing pages for them, set up their coaching programs, this is the platform that I love to use. One, because it is very kingdom based. And so I love supporting other kingdom entrepreneurs. But two, it is the smartest for me, for my money, for my clients' money, because you get everything all in one place. And you're not having to piecemeal your business together. It's everything for you, your email marketing, your websites, your landing pages, your products, your services, everything, your payments, all in one stop shop. So hope this was helpful. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later.